The first question, what do you mean by 5% solution weight by volume? So, whenever I say 5%, that is equal to 5 by 100. So, these 5 by 100 is weight by volume. So, weight of solute by volume of solution, right? So weight of solute means 5 grams of NaCl, because NaCl is the solute and that is measured in grams. 5 gram of NaCl in, what is the volume of solution? 100 ml of solution. That is 5 gram NaCl in 100 ml solution. Okay, fine. Okay, second question. 73 grams of, so I have 73 gram HCl, which is dissolved in 1000 ml, dissolved to make 1000 ml solution. 1000 ml solution is what? 1 liter solution, right? 1 liter solution. So what is molarity? When I say about molarity, molarity is moles by volume in liters, right? Now how will I get the moles? Moles is, to get the moles is mass by molecular weight. So what is the mass of HCl? I have 73 grams. And what is the molecular weight of HCl? 1 for hydrogen plus chlorine is 35.5. So 73 by 36.5. These will come around to 2 moles. Fine, 2 moles. Now what will be my molarity? My molarity will be equal to moles, that is 2 moles by volume in liters is 1 liter, that is 2 molar solution. Clear? That is 2 molar solution. First I need to find out the number of moles because it is given in grams, and I need to find molarity. So I need to find the number of moles and then go ahead finding the molarity. Next, what is gram per liter solution of 0.5 molar NaOH solution? So here I am given the molarity. Molarity is equal to 0.5 molar solution. And molarity of what? NaOH. Fine. What is molarity? Formula moles by volume in liters. Fine. So herein I have to make an assumption. Assumption is what? Volume of solution is equal to 1 liter. Fine. In this case, what will happen? My molarity. So what is my molarity? Molarity is 0.5 moles. That is equal to number of moles by 1 liter. So what is my number of moles? Moles is equal to 0.5 molar into 1 liter. That is 0.5 moles. 0.5 moles. Now once I get 0.5 moles, I need to find grams per liter. So my mass of NaOH will be number of moles into the molecular weight. So 0.5 into 40 grams, that is equal to 20 grams. Okay, so this is very important that I write these assumptions. So I am making an assumption. Let me write that out. Okay, fine.